Assalamu alaikum. My name is Jennifer Jackson. I'm from Chicago in the US. And I'm donating my handmade lamp called Luminous to the Cambridge Mosque Project. The inspiration for the pattern was from the Sultan Ujai II Quran, and it was commissioned in 1313 by Sultan Ujai II. The whole project, the whole process starts with geometry. So it really starts with one point, one dot. And that's one of the things that I really love about geometry, is that it starts with this one point and could potentially go into infinity. And I chose to use all white paper in my pieces so that I could give a sense of serenity and calming, so that it's not just a piece to look at. It can make you feel a certain way. There's more like metaphysical properties to the materials and to the light and to the piece as a whole than just something pretty to look at or something practical to use. And I used paper called shoji paper, which is a Japanese paper that they use in the screens and the lamps. And I chose that paper after experimenting with many because it's thin, it's translucent, but it's also very durable. When designing the piece, it was important for me to begin with my hands and do everything manually, drawing with the compasses. And then I took it to the computer to finish the process and to make files for the laser cutter, which took 9 hours for the whole process. Because it's 4 panels, and each panel has the 5 layers of shoji paper. And then they are sandwiched in between 2 pieces of perspex to protect them. Symbolism is an important aspect in the traditional arts and in this piece because of the light and the layers of paper and how the layers hold this hidden beauty that you don't see until the light shines through them. So my artistic journey on a practical and technical level has been really influenced by what I did in the past. I was a graphic designer and photographer and a model maker. In 2014, May 4th of 2014, I embraced Islam, and that radically changed my practice. I wanted to get more into working with my head and my heart and my hand. I find traditional Islamic societies and craftspeople very inspirational in my work because of how they did theirs and how their spiritual practice and their artistic practice was one and the same.